Hi, this is Matt. It's Matt, Mr. Dryout, taking a look at a house in Spring Hill. Got flood damage, hardwood floors, standing water. The line broke underneath that kitchen sink. Right there. This is all flooded.
I'm unplugging the refrigerator so I don't short somebody.
That's okay. It's all flooded carpet in here. In here it smells really bad, like sewage. Water coming through the bottom, I guess. You know what I mean? There's a built-in entertainment center there. The doors are warping. This is a bedroom, closet, flooded. Hall bath is flooded. Laundry closet, laundry room. There's a step down into the garage. You can see moisture coming through the block there. And the downstairs is the really bad part. The stairs are flooded. There's wood's coming off the wall. You can see the ceiling has collapsed. There's another kitchen downstairs. And this water is deep. Deep, deep, deep water. We got a built-in or a big cabinet there, chair, more ceiling tiles, more rooms down there, but the water's really deep. We have to get that sucked out. Another room over there. Big flood. Call Mr. Drought 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can see the subfloor is all soaking wet, just dripping through.